Have Coach Chot Reyes of TNT. Coach, congratulations. It was a close game going to the fourth quarter. Jordan Heading, Chris McCullough, they played big. How do you assess this kind of victory, Coach, wherein four of your players carried the scoring, basically?
Well, our key coming to this game was our defensive game plan was to get good shots because the last game we had so many turnovers and we gave up 26 points of turnovers. So you cannot defend a turnover. That's very hard. So for us to help our defense, we had to make sure that we get good shots. That means we're taking shots. We're not throwing the ball or turning the ball over. And I think that's what happened in the fourth quarter. Except for the 2 turnovers of Jason, I thought we really took care. We got good shots. We did not make everything, but the key was if we're able to get good shots, we prevent Meralco from running the fast break where they're very deadly. And I think in the end, that allowed our defense, our half-court defense, to hold steady and give us opportunities to score, specifically Chris McCullough.